Welcome to JRTV. Now we can discuss about chronic suppurative periodontitis, means CSP. So chronic suppurative periodontitis, it is a clinical condition in which the patient will complaining of there will be exudation of pus discharge from the gingival tissue and bleeding gums continuously from the gingival tissue. The acute suppurative periodontitis, acute gingival tissue, gingivitis will acute gingival infection. In the course of time, it will become a chronicity of this chronic gingival infection. It will leads to chronic suppurative periodontitis. So many patients will have so many bad habits. Most commonly in coastal corridor, they use to smoke chutta, bidi, cigar and tobacco. Like that, chain smoking habit of cigar and chutta, bidi and tobacco, reverse smoking will enhance, aggravate this chronic suppuration from the upper gingival tissue and lower gingival tissue, which leads to there will be exudation, there will be exuding of this pus discharge and this blood tinted pus discharge from the upper arch and lower arch. It will leads to gastrointestinal disturbances, because the chronic suppurative periodontitis patient will have regular gastrointestinal problems. He may get peptic ulcers, duodenal ulcers or colonic ulcers and indigestion problem and gummy stools and repeated amoebiasis because the decomposed food and decomposed oral tissue will exude. There will be exudation of pus discharge and this iron, this blood streaks, tinted pus tinted with blood streaks will engulf while taking water and fluids or coffee, tea or any fluids intake. The pus and the infected blood will gone through this drinking water or food items or from fruits also. The bacteria, highly infected pus with bacteria and blood streaks will enter into stomach, and the patient repeatedly will have this indigestion problem and gas troubles and amoebiasis and dysentery and even vibrio cholera, because loose motions, continuous watery stools because of so much of infection in gastrointestinal system, because of daily the purulent pus discharge and this blood infected blood will enter into this gastrointestinal system, and the patient will have so many gastric disturbances and indigestion problem and a tender stomach. He may get pain in stomach and flatulence, and there will be gas trouble and hiccups and gastritis and duodenal pain. So many problems the patient will face in this chronic suppurative periodontitis. So the habits has to be tapered. The smoking habit or reverse smoking habit or pan chewing habit, or this nut powder chewing habit, or this pungent nut powders, they use it, these destination drivers, traveling trucks and vans. These people use it to place these tambaku and nut powders in the folds of this labial folds and upper labial folds and lower labial folds and lingual below the tongue and onto the buccal mucosa, so that there will be chronic irritation of this pungent nut powders. Highly concentrated and powerful chemical nut powders will eaten away the buccal mucosa and gingival tissue, and the gingival tissue may recede towards apices of root, and there will be maximum root exposure, and there will be sensitivity of particular teeth. If the patient having the habit of right chewing, the right side upper maxillary teeth and lower mandibular teeth, the roots of buccal side will be exposed and more tend to hypersensitivity of sensitivity towards hot, cold and frozen items, and these food items, even medium consistency, soft consistency, extra hot consistency, and even extra soft consistency food also he can't chew, he can't bite, he can't masticate, he can't keep the food inside in between the upper and lower teeth. So these oral habits has to be terminated. For controlling this chronic suppurative periodontitis of maxillary teeth and mandibular teeth can be minimized by keeping the patient's oral cavity in a good and healthy and rejuvenated condition and oxygenated condition and fully in pinkish blood-rich condition. The periodontal surgeon will give the best outstanding treatment procedures. He will do flap surgeries, and he will do ultrasonic scaling, and he will do the removal of periodontal pockets, and he will remove the calculus or tartar in between the interdental spaces, and onto the more adhesive concrete structure will be removed by hand scaling because of condition and mobility of teeth. If the teeth are in mobile condition, the dentist will use Cavitron machine, highly sophisticated, the latest technology. Do alternate packing. He will do gatta pacha and this eugenal packing and flap surgeries, and he will remove the calculus and the tartar and the concrete segregation onto the root surface will be removed very easily by highly sophisticated instrumentation, and the patient will have so much of relief after scaling. 15 to 30 days there will be rejuvenation of again the gingival attachment onto the coronal part of this tooth surface. The gingival growth will be improved, and the recession of gum will be minimized, and there will be a good attachment onto the coronal part of this onto the tooth surface, and the patient will have better result without any sensitivity from hot water, cold water, or frozen items, or this from vitamin C supplement derivatives, and this spicy food and chili food. So this chronic suppurative periodontitis, we have the smoking habit has to be terminated, because by showing the pictures, because the chronic smoking will always leads to lung cancers and oral cavity, more prone for getting oral cancers, squamous cell carcinoma, and this fibroadenoma, and this cystic lesions, and this lung cancers also very frequently in chronic smokers and reverse smoking habit patients and chain smoking habit patients, more common. The more common in for this squamous cell carcinoma of the oral cavity, palate, and onto the dorsum of tongue, and the angle of the mouth, and the even a soft palate of oral cavity, and this at the esophageal region is more common for chronic smokers and reverse smokers, and this betel nut chewers, and even lung cancers also more common for chronic smokers. So this chronic smoking habit has to be terminated, and this reverse smoking habit has to be terminated, and even alcoholics also, the chronic smoking with alcohol habit also will aggravate, there will be more prone for this oral cancers, particularly this squamous cell carcinoma. Cauliflower like growth in the oral cavity will give discomfort to the tongue, because the cancerous part will grow enormously, and it will push the tongue to the opposite side, and the tongue more tend to chew on opposite side of upper teeth and lower teeth, so that there will be crush injury. Crush injury is very common onto the opposite side of this cancerous growth. So in this patients, there won't be the fluids won't accommodate, the food won't accommodate in the oral cavity, even liquids also won't accommodate in the oral cavity, because of this big cancerous growth will occupy the oral cavity, and patient can't swallow, can't degluttate, the speech is impaired, and there will be dribbling of saliva onto the affected side, and there won't be flaccidity of muscles, there will be trismus problem, and the speech will be impaired, and the tongue movement will be restricted, and the oral hygiene is very poor, and there will be halitosis from a foul smell, from the bad odor from the oral cavity. So many complications, because this squamous cell carcinoma, there will be crevices, deep depressions and elevations and grooves and furrows. The food will be impacted in this, food will be lodged in this grooves and furrows, and this elevations and depressions onto the cancerous growth. There will be foul smell, even 20 meters also. We can say the patient having a squamous cell carcinoma, like that the dentist can identify. Thank you so much for watching GRTV, signing off.